Are you having fun tormenting her?
Do you like putting it in your mouth?
Oh! Come on, one more.
What the hell?
One more. Come on, you can do it. Oh, yeah! Who scored? Oh, you going to get more? You gonna go get more?
You want to get more, Cassie?
Oh.
We can tell what you come.
She's getting juice now.
Yeah, she's gonna go get juice.
Oh, this is good.
Slurping contest.
You love those sticky, cold juices down your throat.
I wish I didn't drop my popsicle.
Slurping contest. No, I don't. I'm no longer related to you.
We're like tormenting her.
What the hell?
I love how you're. Come on, I got the.
It's orange juice.
So, you're still doing the contest, aren't you?
I don't think it's just me.
Oh God.
And I guess what actually is
I don't think she can even drink without choking.
spitting it out on everything.
That's what she said.
Come on, Cassie, let it run down your throat.
No! Dude, Rachel was just like, at least it'd be easier to swallow it.
Yeah.
What?
You don't have a sip?
Just wait. We'll just sit here and wait.
We'll wait.
No.
Well, I'll wait.
Come on, you know you're thirsty. I know you want to pick.
Why?
Hey, if it'll make you feel better, you can have some of mine.
We're all going to go to
How does we?
Do it! I don't know, the two siblings whispering in each other's ears. I don't trust. We're not even related. Sure.
I'm keeping my mouth shut.
Go ahead.
This
The entire time.
Head this.
this is cruel.
Now you want it over.
Let the nice cold into your mouth.
Yep.
Ah!
Oh, wait. You want to do it? You just drink it. Go ahead. Hurry up before the bell
She
rings.
doesn't
Wait
want
for
to
the bell
be
rings.
class. If not, you will kill her. So hurry up.
Oh, you better hurry up.
I will throw this at you.
Okay, but let's see how that works out. Hurry up.
Get it out.
It's a glass of orange juice.
Not glass.
I don't see why you won't drink it.
It's orange juice.
There you go.
Oh, you
Just orange.
she failed the test.
Delicious in your mouth.
I don't see why you won't drink it now. I mean, come on. It's just orange juice, like you said. Just orange.
She can't even. You ruined it, Rachel.
Here, she was going to
Go away.
She was going to take a drink.
Okay, lips are sealed. I highly doubt that.
Go on.
No, but why?
Just take
Memories.
Honestly,
It's not a
why?
hard thing to do.
Memories.
Besides, don't forget, you're stuck with me all day.
Yep.
Fuck.
Oh, she did it.
That's
Yeah.
nasty.
Yep, I'm satisfied now.
It's orange juice.
That's nasty.
That's nasty.
I can't believe you actually did that. That's really gross.